Hey friend, can I take a moment to speak to your heart? Have you ever looked around your life and maybe even into the mirror and quietly asked, is this all there is? You've got the job, the house, maybe even a beautiful family. You've checked off the boxes. People might even say you've made it. But deep down, there's this quiet ache. A space success didn't fill. A longing love couldn't satisfy. And you're not the only one who feels that. Most of us spend our entire lives chasing meaning. We chase after success, hoping it'll finally make us feel secure. We run toward relationships, thinking maybe this one will make us whole. We pursue happiness through self-improvement, new goals, or the next big thing. But no matter what we achieve, the emptiness returns. Not because you're weak, not because something's wrong with you, but because you were never meant to be filled by those things. You were created for something, someone greater. And what if I told you that the answer to that ache, that longing, that soul-deep emptiness, isn't found in more effort, more money, or more love? What if the answer is a person? What if the answer is Jesus? I know that might sound too simple, maybe even strange. I didn't always believe it either. There was a time when I questioned everything. I doubted whether God was even real. I thought the Bible was just another old book. Christianity felt like a bunch of outdated rules and expectations. To me, Jesus was just a figure in stained glass, far away, irrelevant. But then something changed. And it wasn't a church service. It wasn't a preacher or a program. It was a moment, just me, my pain, and a quiet whisper from God I couldn't explain. And that moment changed everything. I realized Jesus isn't just a name we repeat in prayer or a character from history. He's real. He's alive. And he's the only one who can fill the emptiness inside. He doesn't ask for your performance. He asks for your heart. He doesn't come to condemn you. He comes to heal you. In John 14:6, Jesus says something powerful. I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. At first, it sounds exclusive, but I've come to see it's not about keeping people out. It's about inviting us in. Jesus didn't come to start a religion. He came to restore something we lost. A relationship with the God who made you. The one who knows your name. The one who sees your heart. The one who's been calling you all along. So if you're tired of trying to fix the ache by yourself, if you've tried everything and still feel empty, maybe the answer isn't to try harder. Maybe the answer is to come home. Jesus is waiting, not with judgment, but with open arms. And friend, if this speaks to your heart, don't keep it inside. Like this video so more people can hear. Share it with someone who's searching. And if you've ever felt his love drop, a comment below. Because your story might be exactly what someone else needs to hear today. You were made for more. And that more starts with him.